I think my first reaction was that as an expectant mother on this journey, nothing would make me happier than to be a part of a movement that supports gender equality. Good evening, everyone. I'll keep it short. Everyone said so much. So wherever I go these days, there's just one question asked, which is, I think, quite intrusive, but still I'm asked, both me and Sev. Is it a boy or is it a girl? Have you found out? And I'm like, excuse me? What difference does it make? I'm a girl child. I would love to have a girl. What is the difference? I think I've done probably more for my parents and for my family than a son would. So my answer is downright rude to saying, firstly, this is very intrusive, and at this point, I don't think you should be asking me this question. But coming back to it, I think we're still in a nation where we've been asked, oh, you're getting married, are you still going to work? Oh, you're having a child, are you still going to work? These questions upset me, and when Bizcraft and Mr. Evans wrote to me that if I would like to be a part of this initiative, I think my first reaction was that as an expectant mother on this journey, nothing would make me happier than to be a part of a movement that supports gender equality. Not just for me or my child, but for the millions and millions of children out there. For all those people who think that a girl child is considered taboo, is considered not equal enough, not up to a man, but you must know that a woman is probably the only soul that has the right to carry a soul in her. And that is truly something that is a joy. Thank you so much, Mr. Evans, Mr. Khemka, for allowing me at this special point in my life to lend my voice. I hope it makes a difference. Thank you.
We have a couple of questions for Kareena. What would your advice be then to those wanting to make a difference?
Well, I think the reason that we're all gathered here today is to make a difference now. We keep making promises to each other at dinner tables, at gala dinners that was mentioned, putting on a black tie, opening our pockets sometimes and writing a check and sending out, but nobody really actually takes that step. But I think with Global Citizen India and so many wonderful people associated with it across the globe, I think this is the time, and the time is now. So, I think this is what we're all doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Kareena.
सबसे पहले इस इनिशिएटिव के बारे में जानना चाहेंगे। आप यहाँ पर हैं, प्रेजेंट हैं, तो क्या फील करती हैं आप जब इस तरह से इनिशिएटिव का सपोर्ट करते हैं? आप जैसे सभी यहाँ पर।
नहीं, आई थिंक इतने सारे डिग्निटरीज आए आज, इतने सारे सेलिब्रिटीज़, एंड जब बिस्क्राफ्ट ने और मिस्टर एवंस ने मुझे फ़ोन किया और मुझे लेटर भेजा, तो ऑब्वियसली इतना बड़ा कॉज, इतना बड़ा इवेंट, एंड 3 वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉजेज सपोर्ट कर रही है ग्लोबल सिटीजन इंडिया, which is education, sanitation and gender equality. और आप सभी को तो पता है, मैंने यूनिसेफ के साथ बहुत काम किया है for girl quality education. And जब automatically ऐसे मुझे मेरे लाइफ के इस मोड पे they asked me, I said that if I could help millions of children, future generations of India to make a better place, if my voice could be heard, I think that it's an honor to just be able to speak on a podium where people like Mr. Bachchan and the CM were talking.
Kareena, such a powerful speech. Such a powerful speech. You very rightly said that it's very intrusive when people come and ask if it is a boy or a girl. When a celeb like you is asked such questions, what hope does a common woman of India have? And when do you see this mentality changing?
But that's why I think that if I have that power, अगर मुझ में एक ऐसी ताकत है कि लाइफ के इस मोड पे मैं आकर एक मंच पे I can give a statement and speak a few words which can help a little bit of a change in our society. I think it'll make me happy. It'll make all of us happy. Women should take inspiration that no matter what stage of your life you are at, if you're doing good, if you're happy, if you're pursuing your dreams, you should follow it.
Kareena, what would be the core area that you will be focusing on? Like there are 3 main areas, as you said. So you will
I've
be more
spoken about
in
gender equality, but basically my passion lies in girl education, because do anyway. Personally, I don't talk about it, but I do a lot of work with UNICEF. I've traveled to a lot of places, whether it's Rajasthan, we've gone to different areas, Lucknow, to talk about it, to talk about girl-child education. And I will continue my job. But the fact is that this is such a great podium, where such a great initiative, for a better India. I mean, from whether it's, the Honorable Prime Minister or the Chief Minister, I think that to just be a part of it is something that I would not say no to.
Yeah, and will we see you doing some ad campaign or something as well for the same?
Well, if they ask me, for sure I will definitely be attending the function for them, and lending my voice. So I think support is more important than anything else, because right now they've gathered so much support from globally and different global icons, and to be a part of that list, I think that I hope I can make a difference.
Kareena, you have championed the cause of women through your films as well, through many women-oriented films. In fact, you're the one who's actually started the trend altogether with Chameli and all. How do you see it going forward, and do you think the day is not too far when we'll have the first true female superstar? I mean, you are a female superstar, but then
I think that there are people. I mean, if you look at it, I mean, I think that everyone is doing so well. Right. Everyone has a fan following, and the fact that, I mean, whether even my fans have supported me so much through every phase of my career.
Correct.
In this entire journey, whether it was before marriage, through my several flop films, through marriage, through now this journey, they're all there. They're all waiting. So the fact is that it's just that it's not even luck. I think that people, that they should love you for your job.
Okay.
So there are female superstars. It's not just male, I think.
By any chance, will we see you attending Coldplay's concert, or will?
Yeah, of course, definitely. I'll be there for the cause also, and of course to definitely see Coldplay.
अच्छा, हमने देखा कि आप सुपरस्टार तो आप हैं ही, लेकिन हम आपको इन फ्यूचर में कभी लीडरशिप या पॉलिटिकल की दुनिया में देखेंगे कि एक बिग
नहीं, आई थिंक अभी नहीं, इच्छा तो है नहीं अभी
नहीं, तो मतलब आगे आने वाले दिनों में
अभी आगे तो पता नहीं है। हम अभी तक, जैसे आपको पता है, हमने कुछ प्लान नहीं किया है, बट आई हैव ऑलवेज फॉलोड माई हार्ट, एंड इफ आई कैन डू गुड, बट आई डोंट नो, आई हैव नेवर थॉट ऑफ बीइंग अ पॉलिटिशियन, बट आई एम हैप्पी बीइंग एन एक्टर.
Thank you.